at that. If it fits, it sits. But today, unfortunately, we're going to break the fitting-sitting rule because the chassis, the body is sitting on the chassis. And as of today, it fits and it sits. But hopefully later on today, it is neither going to fit nor sit. Well, it should still fit on this chassis. My plan is to have the chassis up on the hoist and the body, the body up on the hoist and the chassis on the floor. So, it makes me a little nervous because of how bad some of these body mounts are. But I think this is something that we have to do. I'm not excited for this. I'm ready to get so much rust in my face. So, what we need handy dandy creeper, the hoist, impact guns, and safety glasses. So you guys ready to go on an adventure? Let's get going. So step one, put all the arms underneath the rocker. Well, that's a bad sign because all the front body mounts just kind of ripped right out. What am I getting myself into? Ah! Stop being so damn rusty! Shit! Shit! Oh, this sucks. This sucks. This sucks. This really, really sucks. Kind of saves me a little bit of time. Because now I don't have to unbolt any of the goddamn body mounts because they all just ripped out. Jesus. Why do I do this to myself, boys and girls? Woo. I'm going to have stressful heart attacks. Yay. Yay. See this? That is no good. No good. See, there's supposed to be steel around there. Like this. Is supposed to be in there, like, what are you doing to me, Avalanche? Ugh. Ugh. Well, I guess there's still some damn body mounts in this thing. I don't know where, but apparently back here because the 4 front ones don't damn exist anymore. I'm not happy about this. This is super depressing. Like, super depressing. I just messaged the promoter and said, like, hey, what can I do with this? And he replied with, scrap it. He says I can try to rebuild all these body mounts, but guys, there's no, that's probably the promoter messaging me right now. There's no rebuilding these body mounts. There's no way. I'm upset. I'm physically upset. I have 2 weeks, maybe even more than that, into this truck. And I am physically upset. I don't know what to do, guys. I really don't know what to do. I'm at a loss. This thing is a pile of junk that I should have never bought. I guess I can go out to the backyard and lift up the other Avalanche and see if it's any better, but there's not a whole lot I can do. Like, there's really nothing I can do here. know if you guys can see this, but this is what disappointment looks like. Oh! I'm happy I didn't spend more time on this. This is where this video might end today. Because I have no idea. I have no idea. Let me think on this. You guys want emotions, you got emotions. Apparently, that's what makes YouTube good. So that body mount's good. That body mount's good. That body mount's good. And guess what? This frame doesn't have giant holes in it either. Just that this body's so much worse. I just want to bring an avalanche because all the cool kids are going to have avalanches. Like, this thing's so damn rotted. Like, you know what really bothers me? Is the avalanches are so tough. And I don't know why the avalanches and the Yukons are tougher than these pickup trucks. Because you can see how rusty this frame is. You can see that we don't even have leaf springs. Like, I really don't get it. So I have this rusty thing here with no rockers. Smells like puke and throw up on the inside. And then I have this. Let's take a look at this. I have this, which is like rust free. It's got a little bit of rust, but nothing too bad. All the doors are good. All this interior is good. Frame is good. No holes in the frame. But yet I know this truck will not be as good as those ones. Like, what makes the Avalanche that much better? Like, it can't be the frame. Like, I really don't know what makes that thing better than this. But I know that those are better. These ones bend here. Maybe it's the fact that the body reinforces the frame. I don't know, but that means I got to strip completely another truck. I don't want to do this. I really don't want to do this. Can I just call it quits and not even go to Brawl? I don't know. I don't know at this point. So I think that Avalanche is going to be put on hold for a bit. I really do. Just stressful. I do this derby stuff to have fun, not be stressed out, but this is just stressing me out. I don't know if we're going to have time to build that truck. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm getting older. I don't know what it is, but this truck is stressing me out to the point that I don't know what to do. I know it sounds completely stupid and it sounds like I'm overreacting, but you guys are here for the raw emotions of me getting stressed out for it, so. Oh, I already, you can hear the stuttering. You guys know that I'm going to hear it from you guys saying, like, if it's not fun, don't do it, but it's just a lot of stress. All my friends are going to this one. I imagine this is how my friends felt when they couldn't make it to New York and I went. They felt stressed out. And is this really worth doing it if it just sits here and stresses you out the entire time? I don't know. But we're going to leave this episode on a cliffhanger of a completely rotted out piece of shit Avalanche, a half rotted out piece of shit Avalanche, a really nice Chevy truck, and trying to figure out what to do. Probably gonna have to make some phone calls. This is what a defeated man looks like.